What do you think? Is there anything salvageable here?
Not much. This thing is completely rusted out.
Transcription. All right, let's get her under the lights. Ah, she's seen better days, that's for sure.
Careful with that edge.
Got it. This hood's heavier than it looks.
Okay, let's get this piston seated correctly.
Looks good. Make sure the rings are aligned before we connect the rod. Looks good, right? Yeah, the dashboard is perfect now.